Hey Sean, this is Nate. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of your website, do a little review with you. What I'd like to do is give you 3 things that you can do today that can help drive more traffic to your website, which will bring more traffic to your business. Kind of set up a free attack plan for you. One of the first things that we talk about is content. Google looks for content because they're looking for keywords. When somebody types something in, if they type in auto repair San Antonio, Google wants to see that that is what your site talks about. Google doesn't really see the pictures and things like that. They see the content. They look for about 1,500 words or so to be on your home page, whereas you probably have around 300 on here. And your service pages and your back pages should have about 500 to 750 words. If we go in here and look, these guys here, they have a ton of content, as you can see on their home page, which is probably why they're ranking where they are as far as Google goes. They have a lot of the keywords, talks about what they do. It shows Google that they are relevant to what the people are searching. We go over here. These guys, they've got a little bit of content, but they really don't have much either. So in any case, it shouldn't be terribly hard to beat out any of these guys content-wise. We just got to find the right keywords to get the content on the page. With your keywords, there's a tool that we use called Ahrefs. Right here, you're actually showing up for 741 organic keywords. You're getting about 253 hits a month because of it, which is really not bad at all. A lot of these keywords, these two, of course, those are people that already know who you are. What we're looking for is when people are searching that don't know who you are, and we want them to find you. So like right here, auto air conditioning repair San Antonio. There's 250 people a month that search for that. You're getting 17 hits per month for that particular keyword, and you're in the 6th position. Automotive AC repair again, automotive air conditioning repair, diesel shop in San Antonio, you're in the 6th position. You're getting 8 people a month out of the 100 that are looking. Engine repair San Antonio, there's 30 people looking, you're in the 2nd position, and you're getting 4.5 people a month. So you're really not doing bad on that. Come over here, look at these guys. They've got 4,800 keywords that they're being ranked for. So if we go in and look at what they are, we'll see if some of them compare to what you're doing and where they're ranking on those same type of keywords. Automotive AC repair, they're in the 1st position. They're getting 94 clicks a month out of that 250. We go back over and look at yours, auto air conditioning repair. You're getting 17 out of that 250 because you're in the 6th spot, which kind of shows you how important it is to try to be up there at the top and in that number 1 spot. So, engine rebuilds, they're in the 1st spot. They're getting 20 of the 60. Generally, the guy in the 1st spot gets about a third of all of those hits. Every one of these, if you look, they're in the 1st spot. 50 people here, they're getting 18 of them. So that number 1 spot is super important. Go look at here, they've got 138. Load up and see what some of theirs are and where they're ranking on theirs. This is one of the paid tools that I have in order to be able to do this, but that's not even the right company. Might have forgot to switch that one over. Hold on just a second. Get the right page in there. This is why I told you I was practicing. All right. I'm going to pull up the right keywords here in a minute. So, these guys, of course, they already know who they are. But Auto Shop San Antonio, 200 people looking for it. They're getting 26 of them. They're in the 3rd spot. Automotive Repair, 150 people looking. They're getting 17. They're in the 4th spot. So really want to get these buyer intent keywords and get you ranking for those. The next thing that we really look at is it's your Google Map Pack, which is right here. What we need to do to rank in here is get you citations. And you want to be in these top 3. This guy's actually paying to be here, but these 3 are organic. And basically these are citations, which are your business name, address, and phone number on different directories throughout the internet. White Pages, Yelp, YP.com, Better Business Bureau. There's thousands and thousands of them out there. And all it takes is you got to find the site, go in there. You'll probably have to sign up. They'll send you an email. You go in and put in your name, address, and phone number. But I went over here. This is another one of the paid tools that we have. You currently have 5 citations. The Service Experts, they have 56. And Cambridge has 4. So it's very, very easy to beat these guys out. Like I said, there's thousands and thousands of them out there. It just takes a lot of time to go out and find them and get all your information entered in there. The third thing that we like to look at are their backlinks. Backlinks are kind of a popularity contest, trying to see, how many other pages point back to you, how many of them, it's kind of like your friends, trying to get you a lot of friends with backlinks that link back to your site, showing that people like you, they like the content that you have, and they want you to be there. You have 3,000 backlinks on this page. And if you go in here, you can actually look and see what they are. And one of the things that you can do, well, we can do it with this particular tool anyway. When you get, once you're in there, you can see like you've got a link here, which is probably one of the directories that you're in. There's another one here, but we can go see what type of traffic you're getting from that. Right here, this 20 best San Antonio auto repair shops, there's 340 people going there. So we're trying to see which of these would be good ones to get you in. I mean, you're in these particular ones, but we can look at the other ones and basically copy what they do is what we try to do. Go in here and it'll show you all of their backlinks. And we just go in and copycat those, try to get you in the same directories, in the same places. Get the same links to beat them out by a couple hundred. So that's just, kind of a quick overview on different things you can do. Backlinks, you can go into blogs and post comments, get a link back to your site, and there's all kinds of different ways to do it. It just, like I said, it takes a lot of time. So that's just a couple of things you can do. Maybe it'll improve your online presence a little bit, bring more customers in the door. If you have any questions, give me a call. It's 210-383-8401. And thank you for your time.